Welcome back to another I'm Not a Barista quick unboxing. Today we have a super exciting product that's fresh on the market, and I believe it's going to make all the pour-over enthusiasts out there pretty ecstatic. We've got the latest scale from TIMEMORE, the Black Mirror Mini. This isn't just any scale, it's sleeker, it's more compact, and it's packed with some features, the instant flow rate function. So, without further ado, let's dive in and see what it is in the box. Quick side note for all our dedicated Indiegogo supporters of the Momentum Grinder. A little birdie told me that your inbox has something special waiting for you today. That's right, the shipping survey is now live. So, take a moment, check your email. Thanks for watching our quick unboxing of TIMEMORE's Black Mirror Mini. Until next time, keep brewing and stay curious.